Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can have Google Classroom create a copy of your assignment for each student. So if I go into this daily assignment, you can see assignment 1 here, edit. You can see there's a drop down, make a copy for each student. There's some other options here too. Students can view file, students can edit file. So the way that I do that is I don't create an assignment. Assignment 1 was not created in this assignment. What I do is I add a link to the assignment. And I know that some people have had trouble having this option, make a copy for each student, when you create the assignment within Google Classroom. So what I do is, let's say that I have my Day 2 assignment, which I've created in my own Google Drive. You can see I have a folder here for my space science class and daily worksheets, and Day 2 is just a basic worksheet I've made for this example. So this lives in my Google Drive. If I go into classwork for space science here, let's X out of here. So you can see I've made an assignment for Day 2. This will be just used for showing this example. So if I go in here and edit, what I will do is add link to this document. So let me get the right link. So I have chosen anyone with the link can view because our students have Gmail emails. They don't have our school email or district email. So I just do the anyone with the link can view. I'm going to copy the link, Classroom for Space Science, and then just paste it in here, add link. If you do it like that, you should have the option to make a copy for each student. So that is it. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.